How to set up text replacement on iPhone. First is by going to your settings and then scroll down and look for General. Once you're in General, go to Keyboard right here, just below Date and Time. And then go ahead on Text Replacement and click on this plus button found on the upper right corner. And then you should type in the phrase that you want. So for example, you want to say thank you, and then the shortcut is TY, like this one. Click on Save right here on the upper right corner. So this text replacement feature is helpful whenever you want to type in the shortcut like this one, BTW, and then it will automatically type by the way right here. Again, like this one, I'll just type GN and then it will send goodnight like this one. So there you go. That's how you can set up text replacement on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.